नमस्कार, IIMR क्यूडान संख्या EPGP 2022 में आपका स्वागत है। इस उड़ान के मुख्य वैमानिक कप्तान राम कुमार ककानी जी है और सह कप्तान धनंजय बापट जी है। यह EPGP की यात्रा 365 दिनों में पूरी की जाएगी। कृपया उड़ान के दौरान अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांधे रखें। इस विमान में 4 आपातकालीन द्वार है, 2 आगे की ओर और 2 पीछे की ओर। कृपया अपना ध्यान आगे की ओर बनाए रखें। धन्यवाद।
So, what do you think are KKR's chances of winning today's match?
So as of now, pretty damn good. 5 overs, 24 for 3. Can't complain. But you know, it's T20. Anything can happen.
Who's taken the 3 wickets now?
So Stark took 2 and Vaibhav Arora took 1.
Right, and who do you think is going to win this match?
KKR.
Always KKR.
Who's going to win the match for KKR?
Oh, who's going to win the match for KKR? Probably one of the bowlers, because this pitch is a batting wicket through and through. So a bowler has to really bowl out of their skin to restrict them to a good total, which we can chase down easily.
But if there is a twist in the tail, who from SRH do you think, just to play devil's advocate, who do you think, which bowler from
It could be Pat Cummins.
Pat Cummins?
Pat Cummins, yeah.
And you have been a through and through KKR
Oh, yes,
supporter
since
since
the day one, when Brendan McCallum scored 158
against RCB.
How is married life? हैं? तो शादी हो गया ना, कोर्ट मैरिज तो हुआ है. हाँ, यू गाइस टॉक ऑफन एवरी डे.
Yes, about visas.
अब उसे एक वर्ड से ज्यादा बोलो क्या, मतलब व्हाट डू यू गाइस टॉक अबाउट.
She's blushing, she's red. Oh God.
और आपको कैसे लग रहा है बच्चे से दूर होके एक हफ्ते के लिए पूरा फ्रीडम?
नहीं, I don't want this type of freedom.
But you would rather prefer coming with your son?
Actually, I was planning to come with him, but after I heard about the heat waves, although Delhi is already very hot.
But यहाँ आके you didn't want to take the chance. Yeah, for children तो बच्चे के लिए तो
हाँ, already उसकी तबीयत खराब हो रही है कल रात से. I don't know why. शायद उसको पता चल गया उसकी मम्मा जा रही है.
हस्बैंड रेडी थे इस बार भी आने के लिए साथ में? I would.
Blushing, man, literally.
ये वीडियो में नहीं जाना चाहिए.
ये नहीं यूज करूंगा. बट सर आप बताइए, आपको क्या लगता है
ये सारे लड़कियां निखिल भागवत के पीछे ने पागल क्यों होते हैं?
Nikhil Bhagwat is very much handsome.
हैंडसम
And he's smart enough.
हाँ वेरी
And
स्मार्ट
then,
ऑल्सो राइट.
Very intelligent.
क्लास में भी बहुत कुछ स्मार्ट
topper है.
टॉपर है.
So there is no reason
Not to like
not
him.
to get attracted or not to get like him.
बट इसमें बह नहीं जाते निखिल. ही इज वेरी कमिटेड टू हिज वाइफ एंड चाइल्ड.
That was much needed.
Hello and welcome back to Raipur. As you can see, we are back here in the IM Raipur campus. You know, it's almost like we never left. Everything's the same familiar faces. This is our second day here. Something that I didn't realize when I was making the video last time was that it's going to be such a core memory for a lot of people from our batch, right? I thought I was making it for myself. But anyway, this time around, I'm going to do a lot less talking and I'm going to try and speak to a lot more people. And hopefully we'll create a lot more core memories this time, the next 7 days that we're going to be spending here on the campus. And it's going to be a lot of fun. So are you guys going to be the MCs for this year's event as well? For cultural event?
Ramkumar sir has requested us to, host the show, so probably he will be doing
He's the one who he is going to...
Probably, yes.
But you're in the planning committee. What's in store for us?
So I think this year we have cricket,
Huh.
and apart from that, we are planning a cultural festival wherein everybody will be dressed traditionally. Yeah, so it's a surprise because we need some audience also.
Ah, okay. It's going to be a fashion show sort of thing. Okay.
Yes, with traditional outfits.
What else?
अभी के लिए इतना ही है, but let's see.
So first of all, I got to hear the news. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So can you give us some backstory of what has transpired? Because this is shocking to all of us. But what is the story? Who approached first? I mean, it's not obviously not accidental.
No, it's not accidental. I would say it's incidental then. How it rolled out was like her parents and my parents, they were like looking on matrimonial sites.
Acha, don't tell me you found each other on some matrimony site.
Yeah. It happened in that way. So one good June weekend, I was coming back to Delhi. So I got this interest news from my parents that there is a girl whose parents have a property, whosoever has accepted. So just take a look. And
Accepted meaning you sent a request first and then it got
my
accepted.
parents sent request.
Okay, they didn't know that she was
No,
studying
they
in the same.
didn't. No,
Okay.
they didn't know at that time. So this is so her mother, I think her mother accepted it.
Right.
She saw my profile and she accepted it, and then the profile was then shown to me.
How?
I saw it and
You
I
didn't
said,
get a shock of your life when you saw that?
Oh, okay. I knew that I had seen her. Means I saw the profile and then I told her, okay, I know this girl, so I'll take it forward. So it was quite weird in way. I took a snapshot of her profile and then sent it to her. And I just asking, is it you? And then she was shocked.
So you didn't know that her mom had accepted, right?
Yeah, her mom had accepted and she didn't know. She didn't know at that time.
No clue.
She
Okay.
came to know from me. So then we just started chatting and then I said, if you're interested, let's take it forward. And we met. And we
You met in Delhi?
Yeah, we met in Delhi.
So you came down from Dubai for this?
No,
This
I
was while
here
you were in Delhi?
Yeah,
Ah,
it
okay.
was a long weekend, so I was here anyhow.
Right.
So it just happened by chance.
Has the fiance already turned into an annoying wife?
Nagging? No?
No,
वो तो शादी के बाद ही होता है.
शादी के बाद ही, so it is not yet.
No,
There's no glimpse of
A control freak.
it's not in sight right now.
Not in sight. He's fully smitten at the moment.
Yeah.
or he's playing it very, very safe.
Or he's blindfolded.
Either way, upload
Not
we
able
said.
to see anything inside.
She looks at the signs.
Yeah.
Showing her claws.
No names.
You light up the dark. Try as I may, I can never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing. The smile on your face lets me know. La 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 la.
अरे घूमेंगे फिरेंगे नाचेंगे गाएंगे ऐश करेंगे और क्या अरे घूमेंगे नाचेंगे फिरेंगे गाएंगे ऐश करेंगे और क्या क्या बोलती मुझको मैंने उसके शरीर को छोड़ा उसकी गली में दिल को तोड़ा फिर भी सीने में धड़कता है ये दिल
While he's on a different line, it's something else is playing.
फिर भी याद उसी को करता है ये दिल दीवाना दीवाना है सभी के लिए किसी न किसी को है बनाया है किसी के लिए तेरा है उस रब का इशारा मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी न किसी को है बनाया है किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए मुझको है तुझसे राबता मुझको है तुझसे राबता जैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता मुझको है तुझसे राबता क्या इशारा तुझ पे जीवन भर तेरे लिए मैं गाऊं तेरे लिए मैं गाऊं जी तेरे बोलों पे लिखता चला जाऊं लिखता चला जाऊं मेरे गीतों में तुझे ढूंढे जग सारा छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा तो है समा कल हो न हो
He is going with your कहाँ गया?
जीवन जियो जो है समा कल हो न हो दोस्तों में बैठा मैं सुट्टा पी रहा गाएगा घर जब पहुंचा ठंडा हो गया
That is a different. सुट्टा सुट्टा ना मिला सुट्टा
सुट्टा ना मिला सुट्टा सुट्टा ना मिला कॉलेज गया मुझे प्यार हो गया उसने भी मुझसे मेरा छुट्टा सी लिया सड़कों में घूमा मैं तन्हा रह गया छुट्टा छुट्टा ना मिला छुट्टा छुट्टा ना मिला शादी हुई
Ryan Litzel.
एक बार क्या हुआ, वो कर रही थी चॉकलेट केक, लेकिन वो थोड़ा सा मतलब गाढ़ा हो गया, उतना फूला नहीं हुआ,
ब्राउनी बन गया उसका।
हाँ, तो वो बोलने लगी नहीं मैं तो ब्राउनी ही बना रही थी। मैंने बोला ये सही है।
इधर जितने खाने का बैटिंग वाला मैं पुलकी ताराब बचे हैं अभी और लावा बचा कितना स्कोर है और ओवर कितना है 8 ओवर है 2 course, the campus immersion, and of course, I earned a lot of people here, many friends, become family now. All cultural and badminton, sports, everything, and then I was mentoring him in the sports. Everything, every moment we enjoyed, even the late night walk and talking to so many people. Yeah, really, the collaboration was really key.
Networking, actually, only doctors in my basket of network.
Right.
Now I have a diverse network.
Right.
So a lot
People
of
from all
engineers,
walks of life, yeah.
Engineers, bankers, and so many people, software and health.
Right.
So that is the greatest asset. My memorable moment is winning tug of war last.
Against Section A.
Section A. It's a very tough fight and winning over there. So life will be like that. So that is inspiration to win. So we have to put a little extra to win.
Yeah.
So there is a lesson and there is a fun.
Actually, at my point of view, I can say that there are a lot of memories. First of all, that campus immersion, I feel that it will be normal school, means normal college, that no one will talk, only we will be staying. But it is not like that. Everyone, there is lot of network I have extended. A lot of people I met actually, apart from my office colleagues.
Right.
This time I am having one doctor, one engineer, one different sports persons, different directors also. Like that I am having network in every field right now. Apart from that, what's the main memory is, as sir told, tug of war. It united the section B actually. At that time, no section people were there. Only section A, section B who are playing. Those people were only there.
Right.
But section B, all people came to encourage us. When we won, that was a really very good moment. Even though when I think about that, I will get some goosebumps. I will get somewhat some goosebumps. After that, the same thing happened with badminton also.
Right.
We are fighting very hard, very hard, and our mentor, he helped us to get win
that championship.
That one also really good. And apart from that, table tennis also we won. Last immersion we won all the 3 games. It was very good. But one more memorable is that fashion show. That fashion show was very good actually. I never done any fashion show till yet in my life, but I was done that one. It was good. This time I brought my dhoti, pancha, something
Traditional
to participate
clothes,
in that one.
Will you miss this camaraderie? Will you miss, attending classes? Because I'm assuming all of us, or except for Lava, maybe all of us, it's been a long time since we have been in college, right?
By listening that question, I'm getting emotional.
Right.
So I miss all these friends. We played some jokes and we are very spent happy time. At this age, I'm just like a student. That is
Right.
very great experience for me. If there was no classes, it's really I miss a lot.
Right.
Because every Saturday or Sunday or some other day we meet, of course in online, but we might not meet as previous now. Because everyone busy with work. I really miss all of your jokes, your comments, and seeing your faces. Although even your voice, I miss a lot. Really, I feel low after these classes.
Of course, we'll all miss each other, I'm sure.
We definitely miss. Whatever he said is the same for me. Even emotionally, I connected after a long time. Yeah, even though I have a different time zone, I was happy to manage my work-life balance and everything, and family and classes.
Right.
But definitely, when I say that this is going to end very soon, then emotional. But this is the fact. We need to live with it. But my takeaway is I'll still try to connect with as many as people frequently.
And
we
keep that connection
some
going. Yeah.
alumni kind of thing. Something we.
Of course, that will definitely be there. Yeah.
Everyone must join. Okay, even though they are busy
in their own lives.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, I came from Singapore 1 year to attending 2 classes.
2 classes.
Yeah. So it's not I would have avoided this.
Absolutely.
But I wanted to collaborate and even enjoy the moment. That's the reason I'm here. Yeah.
It will be more painful after getting out of the course. What we have done is there is lot of conversation apart from the class. During projects, late night discussions, 12 p.m., 1 p.m. We need to do the project collaboration. We need to divide the project, and after that, during exams also, you study this much portion and explain to me. I will study this much portion. I will explain to you. There will be lot of conversation happening during exams, and projects. We will definitely miss that one, and there is a group discussion that will also definitely miss. And as I told, a lot of group network I have feel. My brother is there, my son is there.
Nice.
Everyone I will miss mostly because if in a week I think we used to talk almost all the days. Every day we are having group call, WhatsApp call, and we discuss so many things. Apart from work also we are discussing a lot of things, but that we will miss that one because of there is some work. One person will have work, but right now what we will do is, if apart from work we will make the time and we will want to discuss that one. But after completion of the course, there will be actually some person is having different
Absolutely, it won't be as frequent.
as frequently as like that. It will be little miss. That one will definitely painful. After completing this.
So many things happening day by day, and we are going to finish our immersion also. Moment is really memorable because what we are doing here is very important, because get together is going on, lot of activities is going on. Guys are playing cricket, girls are preparing for their dance activities. Yeah, of course, moments, lot of moments.
So one of the thing I miss will be the hostel, because waking up here and knowing that you are inside an IAM, that's an incredible feeling. So definitely I am going to miss that. And all the outdoor activities, like the night, in the late night we will be playing cricket, badminton. Yeah, the thing is that the tug of war was actually like a war at that time. Everyone remembers that. And this year we are looking, tomorrow is the match and we are looking forward to it. And badminton also, let's see how it goes.
That was section war actually. that was not a tug of war. That was actually section war.
This is the second and the last immersion that we are having. I hope we will be having one more immersion if that was possible. But unfortunately, it's not part of the course. And of course, these late night chats, gossiping till 1:30 a.m. and playing with all these friends. Back to those college days after a long gap. And we made so many friends. We have networked. Hope that we will keep that in touch even after the course is completed. But still, we will miss these days. I don't think that we can recreate that anytime soon.
You must have felt that, college wala memory taza.
Right. Actually, one of my friend asked me why you are going for an MBA after a long time. Or what you learned from this MBA after completion of 1 year. He asked me like this. Then I told him, learning, no age foundation for learning actually. Whatever be the age, you can learn from your colleagues also, from your professor, from your juniors, from your seniors. So learning it's okay. But what I found from this course is actually my friends. Because lot of friends, मेरे तो बहुत सारे friend बने हुए हैं. I am taking care for all my friends. So yeah. So मेरे लिए तो सभी खास है. Everyone is very special for me, and I will definitely remember to each and everyone. And I am trying to go for different stage for state for a journey, for a trip. Then I will try to connect with them whenever we कहीं भी जाऊँ कहीं ना, but I will call them definitely, remember them. So that is my personal experience, personal perspectives. जो फ्रेंड ने जो क्वेश्चन पूछा था, I replied him the same way कि फ्रेंड्स ही हैं जो आगे चल के कहीं ना कहीं सपोर्टिव होते हैं, तो दे आर वेरी सपोर्टिव स्पेशली फॉर मी. सो दिस इज माई अर्निंग फ्रॉम दिस एन MBA अदर देन डिग्री.
Many things, to be honest, but there are few things I'll just highlight. Is working on 11th hour for the projects, and many times we missed out of our work. So it's a fun, and it's also a stress, which how we tackle that stress, and that too just being on call, working our work, managing work on the one side, on the other laptop we are just having a call and just discussing. Just within 5 minutes we guys meet, and we do not meet also, but that's a fun. But we handle the stress. It's amazing. And on top of that, I would say in the immersion, how we had a good time to meet to each other and have a good time in person, going for outings. Few things which is pretty nice, and which is in the memory of us, and just right. I believe it's a perfect time which we have spent together.
It really did make an impact on our efficiency, like meeting for the homework at the 11th hour and submitting it on time. So yeah, I completely agree with them.
It's all human effort. It's all human effort, nothing else. But I think Pooja, you want to go, right?
Yeah, so one thing which I'll miss, like after working, we did not have a college life, so to say. So after so many years having to experience this college life, and
You had college life before your job life also? We thought you directly came from kindergarten.
No, after having that college life twice, right? And making such good friends and having good time with them, working together on projects, having fun banters, like with Prasanjit especially.
With low of energy,
yeah.
5 minutes.
So
break.
it was too much fun, but yeah, honestly, it did teach us a lot in many ways, and it definitely made us a level up as a professional. So can't complain.
No, I can definitely see a better human being out of her. She was definitely, yeah, that's all thanks to me and rest of them. But yeah, we made you a good person, Pooja. I'm proud of you.
Thank you so much.
But yeah, I think one thing people didn't mention, it's all about the examination. I believe we appeared, in all this 1.5 year,
right.
5-6 terms we gave, and with 5 to 10% preparation, then scoring something in a competitive scale or grade basis. That's amazing. That actually was an eye opener.
So the funniest thing for me was that we were forgetting class every now and then. All of us this term especially, ever since the elective term came on, it was always someone or the other who was forgetting classes, and everyone had each other's back. Whoever was a part of that class would be calling the other person up and getting them to either log in or wake up, something like that. We would always find out that someone is sleeping, and then all of a sudden they would be saying that, no, oh, I'm awake, I'm up, I'm coming. To ensure that you spend those 70 minutes inside the class.
We worked as a human reminder to each other.
Yes, exactly.
So that we don't, human alarm mode, like.
So that was fun.
Forget about our classes.
So that's many times even for the quizzes. So actually many ways we planned this out. For the class we know we'll remind, but for the lecture, for the quizzes, we have to keep our time aside, and that has been hard reminders in a way that you have to be available. So we managed pretty good way. I will thanks to all of you guys, and thanks to Kaustubh, thanks to Nirupam, Pooja and Prasanjit.
Yeah, thank you very much, guys.
Yeah, and the beauty of this complete EPGP program is like we four didn't knew each other before this course, and after joining, yeah.
Not you.
Like we five of us, sorry. We five of us. Sorry, I got bad with maths. So yeah,
There is one thing.
now we are friends for life, and it's the beauty of this. I'm very much thankful for this course that we got in, and yeah, it's kind of good. And also, some of the other life event happened. We have a new
I
father.
was just.
And Kaustubh got
Yeah.
married. Yeah, and yeah, I too.
I was just coming. Yeah.
He got promoted. He got a baby. He's a new father. Yeah,
I'll just add one point, Nirupam.
I think few like each one of us had
some of the
things,
life event
something
happening,
or the other
yeah.
life event which was major turning point which happened
Yeah,
during
yeah,
this course,
yeah.
and we were
And-
there for each other like as a friend, like
Yeah,
we
yeah.
were genuinely happy for each other.
He got married. He had his difficult time, not in the marriage, but settling down everything. So everybody has all those phases, but this has been planned and managed pretty well. Yeah,
It's
yeah.
Actually, this course, what I believe in a way now, hearing all of you, we are all executives. Even you, Ragesh, we are all working in a different path, different fields, and we all had more or less 6, 7, 8 years. Some there are a few people who have more than 10 plus years of experiences. So we were cut off from that particular college life, and those life we left behind are pretty far behind. Coming back to that life and then meeting with you all people, even you, these people, and all of others. Specifically, we come from Section B, so most of the people of Section B, I'll say, or all of the people of Section B,
Yeah.
we have been all close, and getting a little bit of break of that 2-3 hours from our busy schedule, and then meeting new people, it somewhat, I believe, worked as a catalyst in our normal energy level also. That we feel that okay, there is a break from our those work life, job life, and then now we are meeting people, we're attending some classes, we're sharing small jokes in our WhatsApp groups, and then whatnot. So that was definitely a bit of relief, for at least from my end. I believe for others also. So that's the main thing what we got from this.
Oh, God.
फोटोशूट चल रहा है ना।
I felt everything was really awesome, and mostly for a person like me.
1 second. You're holding the mic the other way around. और इतना formal नहीं चाहिए यार. Fun, make it fun.
तो फिर सबको करो ना.
Overlap, you guys
Overlap
can,
ना.
हाँ,
तो इतना formally उसने start किया तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अभी.
वही मैं बोल. हाँ, correct. It has to be a fun memory.
रोना चाहो तो रो.
Now I'm blank what to say, but everything has been really, really fun. Throughout this immersion, the way that we are practicing, we had a lot of people saying, "Oh, I can't dance, I can't walk, I can't wear this," and the amount of excitement I can see right now is so difficult to control. This immersion, I think people are coming from different fields and getting a lot of content, not only education-wise or business content, but other cultural activities as well. So I'm thoroughly enjoying it. It's a very good experience. I feel everybody should have such an experience in life.
दो चीज, पहला नित्या का डांस और दूसरा मेरा लाइफ पार्टनर.
We'll say for Kritika, Mundas the pe ada.
हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा है. लाइक सर एंड ऑल आर प्रोफेसर्स आर वेरी अप्रोचेबल. आप कभी भी कहीं भी कुछ भी लेके पहुंच जाए, दे विल हेल्प आउट यू. उसके बाद एंटरप्रेन्योर्स जो सेशंस हु आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच एंड हु आर इन द आई मीन गोइंग टू द एमएनसी लेवल, सबके साथ इंटरेक्शन. एंड अदरवाइज एंड लास्ट एंड लॉस्ट द लिस्ट दिस स्टेज. मैंने कभी कुछ नहीं परफॉर्म किया ओवर द स्टेज. मैंने गाना
Credit goes to us. Credit goes to me. Momita, you can say credit goes to me.
credit goes to me.
Directly पूछ रहे हैं भाई. Directly. And on public demand, exit. On public demand, exit.
If I would start speaking, I think I'll be keep speaking throughout the day. It's, I have so many memories. I mean, it starts with in graduation day we used to perform. I still remember I used to play cricket. I used to perform on the stage. But then coming back to here again, nostalgia. And वो चीज़ें जो हम तब करते थे 10, 12, 15 सालों बाद आकर दोबारा we are doing the same thing. And amazing friends, amazing batchmates that I got here. It's amazing. I mean, the experience can't be expressed in a short, number of words. But it's amazing.
My memorable things अगर मैं बात करूँ तो 7 days बहुत कम समय होता है 1 year में इमर्शन के लिए. तो जितना भी टाइम स्पेंड किया विद फ्रेंड्स, गॉसिप्स एंड ऑल, प्लेइंग क्रिकेट, तो ये सब मेरे लिए मेमोरेबल थिंग्स रहेगा. थैंक यू.
Our star performer. We want
Thank
to
you,
hear
thank
from
you. Actually, we have started our journey from December 22. It was 14-year gaps for me. After 14 years of working experience, I joined here. So वो टाइम पे डाउट था कि पढ़ाई अभी हो पाएगी नहीं हो पाएगी. बट बाद में पता चला सभी अपने लेवल के तो that time I increased my confidence and we have enjoyed a lot.
This is epic. This is epic.
we have enjoyed a lot. Not only studying, like dancing, playing cricket, then performing group activity. So it was a nice experience for us.
बस ना अभी नाचना देखना, अब क्या हो गया.
So हम लोग हाँ we'll again meet when we'll come for to receive our degrees. तब हम फिर से मस्ती करेंगे, फिर से धमाल करेंगे और हाँ और
फिर से गंदी चाय पियेंगे.
हाँ and 50 shades of paneer हम फिर से खाएंगे.
I just hold it like this. Okay.
What has been some of your memorable moments?
Okay, I think we really had a great experience, and if you compare last year immersion to this year immersion, I could see that we've really grown in our relationship with our cohort members, and we share a very good bond now. And in immersion, just not only the classes and all, but we have lots and lots of fun. Playing games or singing songs and doing the dance practice and all. And I think I am doing first time my dance intro in this cultural program. So that's an awesome experience.
बहुत सारे अच्छे दोस्त मिले, दो आर वेरी सपोर्टिव.
एंड ये स्टेज जो मैं पहले कभी नहीं मतलब एक रिसाइट 2 लाइन रिसाइटेशन भी नहीं की थी. आई एम डूइंग एवरीथिंग, सिंगिंग, डांसिंग, रिसाइटेशन, होस्टिंग. सो आई एंजॉयड अ लॉट.
As far as my experience concerned, it's like just going back to the good old college days, and I enjoyed a lot personally, like throwing rockets during the class time and playing cricket in the midnights. So that's one of the few experiences, and there are few signature moments. Hey, chhodna yaar, mera results. So it's purely of ChatGPT. Don't think I'm a genius. It's okay. Everyone knows the truth. Yeah.
Simply joking. He's very hardworking. He's our CR. He's very hardworking, and I think he has actually had immense, patience to handle the entire cohort. And we really appreciate. Great job.
Thank you. Slow claps. Thank you.
And he scored very good marks, and we all study together, and we really work hard. And,
Inshallah, boys played very well.
The experience has been really good so far, and like जब मैंने ये प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन किया था, so never thought कि इतने अच्छे बैचमेट्स मिलेंगे, and like our section भी is the best, and बहुत अच्छी बॉन्डिंग हुई सबसे जब हम like first immersion में मिले and अभी second immersion में, so बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. So it was a good experience. And yeah.
इतना फॉर्मल भी नहीं रहने का. Don't cry, okay? It's okay. We have to perform now.
We enjoy a lot because it's more after 14 years, I think. We are again into the college and got that feel again. Late night जगना, मस्ती करना, खुद से खुद सब कुछ करना. कुछ नहीं होता है, मेरे पानी भर के लाइए, मेरा ये कर दे, मेरा ऐसा है. Like now in the situation हमें ही सब कुछ करना पड़ता है घर में. Now we got someone to order like, तू मेरे लिए ये कर दे. So yeah, I feel.
And, it is so hot here, but still because सब साथ में, so it's a. But ये time पता ही नहीं चला how really 5 days went, and now it's the last day. So yeah, yes. Making me there. Yeah.
We'll miss it.
Yeah.
This immersion a lot.
This is the last one, so I think, yeah.
No discipline. No discipline. What is it? Okay, start. Action. Ayyo, what is it? Veva. Veva. Oh. Veva.
And comfortable life to be able to spend.
क्रांति सर.
Right, come out.
नाम भूल गए गाइस. जीजू.
का पानी मुझे खुद में घोल दे तो मेरे यार बात बन जाए. रंग शरबतों का तू मीठे घाट का पानी.
मैंने तो धीरे से नींदों के धागे
दिखादा नूर वेख के अखियां जो हंजूर उड़ गए तू भी आ सबको छोड़ के तू भी आ सबको छोड़ के मत बोला कैसे लगा ए जानी कैसे कहा बोला बोला लाल लगा ए जानी कैसे कहा बोला बोला लाल लगा माया देखे माया ले जाते हरा दे माया देखे माया ले जाते हरा दे ले चले जा दीवाना रे तमन्ना करना ऐसे सितम
उड़ान के दौरान अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांधे रखें। इस विमान में 4 आपातकालीन द्वार है, 2 आगे की ओर और 2 पीछे की ओर। कृपया अपना ध्यान आगे की ओर बनाए रखें। धन्यवाद।
bachata, not flamenco, my brother. Do you know? Not to? What is not to? పొలం గట్టు దుమ్ములోన పోట్ల గిట్ట దూకినట్టు పొలే అమ్మ జాతరలో పోతరాజు ఊగినట్టు కిర్రు చెప్పులేసుకొని కర్ర సాము చేసినట్టు మర్రి సొట్టు నీళ్ళలోన కర్ర గుంపు కూడినట్టు ఎర్ర చెడ్డ రట్టెలోన మిరప దొక్కు కలిపినట్టు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నాటు 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 వీర నాటు 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 పూల నాటు 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 పచ్చి మిరపలాగా నాటు 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 పిచ్చు కట్టిలాగా వెర్రి నాటు ਉਹ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਉੱਚੀਆਂ ਰੱਖੀਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਰੱਬ ਜੱਟ ਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਰ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਾਲੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਚੀਦੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਉੱਚੀ ਦਾ ਬੈਲਟ ਤੂੰ ਪਾਇਆ ਜੱਟਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੋੜਤਾ ਨਾ ਬਸ ਪਾਇਆ ਵੇ ਲੱਗੀ ਡੋਰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਲੱਗੀ ਡੋਰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਉਹ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਉੱਚੀਆਂ ਰੱਖੀਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਰੱਬ ਜੱਟ ਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਰ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਾਲੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਚੀਦੀ
Get up and dance.
Slow it down.
एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी वो तेरे दिल के इशारे ये तो बढ़ने लगी लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी ओ मुंडा सिद्ध तेरा पीछे पड़ा
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त
तू जानू वानू जो कहता है बीवी तेरे वो लगता है सामी सामी जो कहती हूँ मर्द मेरा तो लगता है तेरे पीछे पीछे चलूं जैसे तेरे पीछे पीछे चलूं जैसे मंदिर की सीढ़ी पे चढ़ूं सामने तेरे बगल बैठूं वैसे जैसे शिव के बगल कोई मोर सामने वो टक्कर जमाने नजर ले जाए रे प्रेम नगर सामने ऐसा मैं अरे सामने आजा सामने बलम सामने सनम सामने अरे सामने आजा सामने बलम सामने सनम सामने
कि तेरा इंतजार है आजकल नींद कम ज्यादा है, लगता खुदा का कोई लगा फकीरा दिल शहजादा है, लगता खुदा का कोई नेक इरादा है, क्या मुझे प्यार है, क्या मुझे प्यार है, प्यालों में क्या मुझे प्यार है, ऐसा कुमार है, क्या मुझे प्यार है, ऐसा कुमार है, रस्तों में फूलों की एक चादर है, जब से मिले हो हमको बदला एक मंजर है, तेरे यहाँ में नीले नीले आसमां तेरे झूलने जैसे तुलते हुए, मेरे ख्वाब में जागे तेरे वास्ते, मेरे रास्ते, क्या मुझे प्यार है, ऐसा कुमार है, क्या मुझे प्यार है, ऐसा कुमार है,
And I start this event by remembering Lord Krishna. So Lord Krishna's musical instrument is a murli. That's what I present. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, छोड़ो बेकार की बातों में बीत न जाए रहना, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे मिटवा कहे धड़कने तुझसे क्या, मिटवा ये तुझसे
I'm looking at the camera. Hey, for me, hey, yaar, please don't do this. For me, the most memorable moment would be the late night discussions that we used to do in our term one. Since it was the beginning of the CPGP and beginning of my new phase of life, I became a mother that time, and it was actually a bit difficult for me. But the group in which I was, they were all very supportive. And one thing,
मतलब क्या यही लोग ना
they all were very supportive, who are actually trying to distract me from the discussion right now. But one thing I'd like to add, actually last time I was with my family, my husband and my son. He was just 5 months old, and this time I'm alone. I have left him behind. But this is also good. Woohoo!
For me also, campus immersion is the best part I have. All my group 7 is the best members. They are all supportive, as Kathy mentioned. And and here also during this immersions we are doing many networking activities. So it's very enjoyable.
Yeah, so this immersion was the best I could feel. This immersion, I could say that this was the best one. We interacted with almost all of the cohorts. We had a lot of great time in the Nestle Point while dancing together, singing different songs, and all those late night chats and all. Like, this is the best college thing we could ever experience again. So yeah, this was the best thing for me.
You know, before starting this program, a lot of people told me, including myself, that this is not for me. Why am I doing this? You know, and I still feel that sometimes. Why am I doing this? But the only, not the only good part, but the one of the good takeaways for me was the people that I met, and I guess essentially that is why I got into this to begin with. To, build my network, meet more people who are not like me. Like, I am a business owner, so I don't have the experience of hanging out with people who have been working in the corporate sector, and that was a real eye opener for me. And I got a really good perspective on a lot of different things, and I used to think with a narrow mind, but now that perspective has opened up for me. So this is one of the key takeaways for me.
Was meeting the new people over here. There are very good people that I have met. Got many things to learn. I think need to improve on some things, but yeah, I would say the cohort is the best thing that happened to me in this course. The most fun during these 18 months, I think so, was the day when we danced at the OTT was there क्या? हाँ, at the last time. वो जब last immersion में हम गए थे वहाँ पे. So that was the best day that I think we enjoyed at that kind of level. And moreover, I would say कि when we sit outside during the nights and all those things, that the walks, the talks, and the every gossip that we do, that is the most memorable thing in this whole campus immersion as well as in this course.
So executive MBA is not easy, but time flies. My heart is just racing between both these dialogues. Time flies and MBA is not easy. You have your personal commitments, you have work stress, and then there is this MBA with lots of assignments, exams that are there on top of your mind. But I'm really grateful for the friendships that I made over the last 1.5 years. I met a diverse set of audience over here from whom I learned so many things. There are so many memories to capture, right from those amazing ramp walks to those late night dances and the amazing songs that we all cheered together. I really enjoyed the first 1.5 years of this executive MBA with IIM Raipur, and I'm definitely looking forward to meeting everyone again back together with the same energy and same enthusiasm. And thank you so much everyone for the amazing memories.
So just like that, another campus immersion has come to an end. We were here last Sunday. Today is a Sunday and we're leaving today, so it's been almost over a week. how this week flew by, I really don't know. However, that said, things were slightly different this time than last time. A lot of folks couldn't make it this time. A lot of people had to leave early. A lot of people fell ill, right? We all had classes at different times. But then I think over the last couple of days at least, most of Section B at least came together. I'm sure the other sections also met in their own groups. But, the Section B folks came together towards the last couple of days. We had a lot of fun, a couple of late nights. And all the people that I was able to speak to, and, apologies to anybody else that I couldn't really capture in this video. But everybody I spoke to had the same thing to say, right? I asked them what's the thing that they'll miss the most after this course is over, because there's just 1.5 terms to go, and almost everybody said the same thing, right? That they'll miss the late night chats, the campus immersion, the cultural programs, the conversations and the bonding between the group. So I think that's this common factor across all of us. But in addition to that, personally, I also think that, this learning journey that we have been on for the past 2 years, and forgive me, I'm not trying to sound philosophical, but, a lot of us after our colleges, this is the first time that we are getting into any sort of formal education. Of course, we would have done our certification courses and whatever else, but being back in the classroom with, this large cohort, that's also something that we probably might never get again after this. So that has been an interesting experience, and that's also something that I'll miss. The group projects, the assignments, the exams, the tensions, you name it, right? All of those emotions come flooding back when you think of this. But yes, this is, I'm sure an experience that all of us will cherish for a long time to come. Of course, we'll be back here again next year, maybe around April for our graduation, fingers crossed. But it won't be the same, right? We might not even be in this campus, or we might not be staying in these hostel rooms. A lot of us might be coming with our family. So, but that said, that's another opportunity for all of us to meet again. And I'm sure, we'll all be part of the alumni, and we might organize smaller meetups region-wise, maybe even a large get-together for the entire batch. But it'll, of course, never be the same, right? Coming here together, spending about a week in the campus as students, living in these hostel rooms, eating in the mess, that sort of experience is probably never going to come back. So I will truly cherish these memories, and I'm sure all of you will as well. And I hope this video, like last year's video, a lot of you did mention that you still go back and view that video, not because of anything that I did, but because it's sort of a collage of all the memories from the last immersion. And I hope this video will serve as another beautiful memory as well. It's been a pleasure, interacting with all of you, knowing all of you. And I'm sure all of us will, have great successes in our life. I wish you all the very best, and let our paths cross again.
One, two, three, start.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, हम रायपुर पहुंच गए हैं। सीट बेल्ट का संकेत बंद होने तक कृपया आप अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांधे रखें। आपकी यात्रा में IIM रायपुर को शामिल करने के लिए धन्यवाद।